have been educated to use our minds in a certain way, a way that ignores or screens out the fact that every one of us is an aperture through which the whole cosmos looks out.
A prepared model. So what I did here, I aligned the first model on that. Then after that, I opened a normal scan and I align it. Then I can draw a special tray. Then it will be bumped. My special tray is already ready, and that's also my gingival guide. As the idea, I will open temporary crowns, because when I do the snap-on smile or the enhancement, all the problem where it's coming when you reach the margin between each of the teeth in a proximal surface. That's why I open the case, I make a temporary crown, I cut each individually crown. Then I export this case, then I open as a tabletop and complete my design. So only this is the trick you need to do it. You have to do temporary crown before.